Hi, here's Mark. Arrivederci and buongiorno from amazingly gorgeous Venice. I guess you can tell it's one of my favorite places. We are on the Grand Canal. We're actually coming from the airport on a water bus to our hotel on the San Marco Square area. And we're not coming from the airport from an airplane. We actually took a wonderful Regent Seven Seas cruise that stopped in Trieste, and 2 hours later took us to the airport. 2 hours into the airport, we got on the water bus. It's a bit of a schlep. I know, super schleppy. Here we go. But it is gorgeous being here, that's all I can say. We're thrilled to be here. It's so relaxing on the water. This is a city, of course, engulfed by water. Ah, look how gorgeous this is. Every twist and turn, another beautiful building. Some of these buildings, very old, you can tell, ancient. Tremendous amount of history here. We're pulling into our next stop, which is, I don't know, Mark will tell me when he sees the sign. The first stop was Colonna, which is where the Murano glass factory is. Oh my God, the most beautiful stained glass. And they make it for you. Well, they don't make it for you, but you see how they make it. It is really spectacular. Travel back in time to the 1500s, right? The 1600s. And you could really appreciate the history and the people behind this gorgeous city. Very romantic too, of course, with the gondola rides. They don't sing anymore, but it is still very romantic. And it's nice with it, you know, when you get the private ride, which we've gotten also, they go really quickly because they enjoy taking you fast. But on the water boat, it moves slowly. So you're not racing. This is the FTE Nove stop. I don't know what the F.TE stands for. That's okay. So up, and now we're done. So come with us. He's announcing the stop. So come with us even more when we take you all over Venice, Italy, and the world.